After an epic wait, the Powerbeats Pro 2 are finally here. No, seriously, the original Powerbeats Pro launched nearly 6 years ago, basically an ice age in gadget years, but the wait, totally worth it. Now featuring active noise cancelling, transparency mode, and heart rate monitoring. None of these are new to earbuds in general, but they are brand new for the Powerbeats. So what's changed? Well, a lot. The Pro 2 are more compact. The giant case is now 33% smaller, the buds are 20% lighter, and the earhooks 50% tinier. There's a new H2 chip, better microphones, an upgraded amplifier, and improved sound quality. Battery life longer. You get 10 hours on the buds with 3.5 extra charges from the case, totaling a massive 45 hours. Plus, fast charging gives you 90 minutes of playback with just a 5-minute top-up. And somehow, despite all the upgrades, the price is still $249.99. As a Beats Fit Pro fan, I was skeptical of the earhooks, especially as a glasses wearer. Earhooks tend to crowd my ears, but Apple redesigned them to be more ergonomic. And guess what? They actually work. Once you get the hang of putting them on, they're secure and comfy. I ran, jumped, even did burpees, but they stayed put. That's crucial for heart rate monitoring since a good fit ensures accurate sensor contact. There are 5 ear tip options, and the digital fit is easy to use. Now let's talk sound. If you're after studio level audio, these aren't topping the charts, but as workout buds, they deliver where it counts. Bass. Running to Deutschie's Catfish had me locked in, while Kendrick Lamar's Not Like Us powered me through the PRs at the gym. ANC is solid enough to drown out a busy highway, and even my cat's loud demands for food. Transparency mode? Decent, though a bit intense for road running. And as for calls, my voice came out clear even in windy situations. Battery life is another big win. In a full week of testing, they didn't die once. Plus, the case finally supports wireless charging, my biggest gripe with the Beats Fit Pro. It's still bulky though, twice as thick as an AirPods Pro 2 case. Heart rate monitoring on earbuds isn't new, but Beats take a different approach. Sensors in both buds improve accuracy, and it syncs effortlessly with iOS partner apps like Nike Run app, Runna, and Peloton. Data goes straight to Apple Health, but if you're using an Apple Watch, the watch takes priority. No option to choose the earbud data instead. That is a bit annoying. Plus, Apple Fitness Plus isn't supported yet, though they are working on it. Android users actually get more flexibility since any app that supports Bluetooth HR monitors should work. A weird quirk? If you're on iOS, you can play music and send heart rate data to gym equipment at the same time. Apple confirmed this, but it didn't affect our testing since our gym's machines are ancient. Still, if you're an Android user, you get a better overall HR monitoring experience. Heart rate tracking on earbuds is a step towards more health-focused features. But for now, hardcore athletes will likely stick to chest straps. That said, the Powerbeats Pro 2 prove why yearly upgrades aren't always necessary. 6 years later, this refresh actually feels significant, and ANC alone is a solid reason to upgrade. Earhooks aren't for everyone, and athletes can be picky, but with a more comfortable fit, punchy bass, and major improvements, these are the workout buds to beat.